Budget led me to automation, led me to building software as a service, all by myself with zero experience in the dev space. Why is that? Hello, everybody. Long time no talk. I hope you're all doing well. I know it's been about a year since my last video, and I apologize for that, but I am returning. First, I would like to say thank you to all of our subscribers and all of our supporters over the years. We started this channel doing reaction videos primarily around Indian content in the Bollywood, Collywood, Tollywood, and the many more woods that are in the many regions of India. And man, we had a blast doing it. Unfortunately, Elise had a lot of work to do in her job, and it was a bit stressful trying to manage doing reaction videos and her doing her work life and managing a 4 and 5-year-old. So that's when we stopped doing that, and I switched this channel around so that I could do things solo, and I primarily focused in on a Diablo 2 mod. So I have a lot of subscribers here that are Diablo 2 fans, and I know they are all excited about the latest release. What is it? The Reign of Terror, Reign of Hate, Reign of the Warlock, I think. So that's exciting, but I'm not going to be doing content on Diablo 2 either. So if that is not something that you want to be seeing either, I appreciate all of y'all's support. I appreciate how long y'all have been subscribed and been paying attention to my videos. But we're about to move into a new industry. One update on the family stuff. Elise is doing great. She is well. She is working. Maybe at some point I'll have her come on and say hello if people are interested. Paxton is now 6. He is in kindergarten. He's kicking butt in school, making lots of friends. So all is well on that front. So we moved from one state to another. I stopped doing videos. I stopped making money. So I had to be a bit more cautious with my budget, right? So that's what's led me to where we're moving towards. Budget led me to automation, led me to building software as a service, all by myself with zero experience in the dev space. Why is that? Artificial intelligence. Now, I have been saying for a long time that artificial intelligence is not going to replace people. It's not as smart as people think, but my God, the last 3 months have shown me different. And I want to bring you on the journey that I have been on for the last 3 months. Unfortunately, I didn't record any of that, and man, I wish I did, but the reason I didn't was because I honestly expected to hit a wall at some point, and I haven't. So if any of you are devs, I'm hoping you'll watch this and go, wow, you're an idiot. You're really messing this up. Or, hey, this actually works and I might have to find another job. But that's not what I'm aiming for here. What I'm aiming for here is to show you that you as a person with zero experience in the dev space, because I was a boiler technician, I was a student, and then I was in HR. That's my experience. Human resources, boiler technician, student. That's it. And I am building something huge that I think will be competitive in the market. Now, I'm not trying to push you to do something that you don't want to be doing, but I honestly think this is a gold rush. I think this is a point in history where people don't quite realize yet how impactful AI is to just a general everyday person. But I think as it catches on more and more, this is going to go faster and faster. And so that's all I have really to show you today. I appreciate all of the subscribers that we have had over the years. I hope you all stick around because I think this is relevant to you all so that you can make money for yourself and not always have to work for somebody else. And I hope that you find a way to be able to use AI to its fullest capacity like I have, because I think it's world changing. So stick around. There's going to be more videos following me through this journey. I'm going to show you how I interact with AI, the tools that I use to help keep it safe and keep it accurate. You'll get to watch me finish and launch my own product, and then likely start fresh on a new project, which may also be of interest because then you can see me start from the very beginning, how I design the product, how I build out the sprints, how I build out the architecture, and just work through sprint by sprint, working through all of the things that need to be done. So I'll digress. Thank you again, all of you. I can't tell you how much I've appreciated your support over the years. I hope you stick around, and plenty more to come.